Here's going to be a retake of the Tampa Airport train that shuttles to terminals. It is coming, so we're about to go inside. Here we go. Let me back up. Look, Westinghouse.
We're about to depart. Please stand clear of the doors and hold handrails firmly at all times.
This is Mayor Bob Buckhorn. On behalf of all of us in the city of Tampa, we welcome you to the Tampa Bay region. If you're departing, we hope to see you again soon.
We are approaching the main terminal and Airport Marriott Hotel for baggage claim, ground transportation, and rental cars serving Air Canada and WestJet. Follow red symbols down the elevators or escalators to the red baggage claim area. For baggage claim, ground transportation, and rental cars serving American, JetBlue, and Delta. Follow blue symbols down the elevators or escalators to the blue baggage claim area.